feeling very bored. Me too, Bully. There's nothing for us to do here at the park. What should we do today? Hey Furnace Bully, is that June and Leo over there? It sure is, Bully. I wonder what they're up to.
So Leo, do you like my drawing of me dancing June?
Yes, June, your drawing is wonderful. You're really good at drawing things.
Thanks, Leo. I really appreciate it.
Wow, it looks like June is showing Leo her drawing. I know, Bully. Do you know what we're going to do? What is it, Furnace Bully? We're going to break June's drawing. Great idea, Furnace Bully. Let's break June's drawing. Ha 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 ha. Yes, we broke June's drawing. Yes, we broke June's drawing. Yes, we broke June's drawing. I agree with you, Bully.
No, my drawing is broken, and I worked so hard on it.
I know, June. I wonder who broke your drawing.
It was us. We broke your drawing, June, and we did it by ripping paper on it. I agree with Bully.
Oh my, Bully and Furnace Bully, we can't believe you broke my drawing by ripping paper at it. You know that I worked so hard to make this drawing.
I strongly agree with June. That's it. Both of you, leave now of this side and go home. Right, now while June calls your parents about this.
No 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 no. No 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 no.
Bully and Furnace Bully, we recently heard that you broke June's drawing by ripping paper at it. You know that June worked so hard to make her drawing.
Your father's right, Bully and Furnace Bully. That's it. For breaking June's drawing today, you are grounded for 7 days. Go to your room, right now.